Good morning, everybody. It's car show day. Man, that sucked. Gotta be more enthusiastic. Good morning, everybody. It's car show day. Okay, that was a little bit over the top. Good morning, everybody. It's car show day.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Morning, everybody. It is car show day. I'm excited. I'm excited enough I'm shaking the camera. I'm so excited because I'm going not far from the pad, the flat, the apartment, whatever you want to call it. I am going over to Mooneyes for their annual open house over in Norwalk. My place has been there forever. Just love it. It's a beautiful sunny morning. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Let's go check out some cars. Hey everybody, it's a little warm out today. I am freaking hot and I would turn on the AC in my pad, but then I could have no audio because it's freaking loud because it's in this room, but it works really, really well and it's hot today. But it was worth being hot today because I hung out at Mooneyes today and just had a fantastic time. I love that culture, like the traditional, custom, kind of lowrider culture guys that come out to Mooneyes. I have a lot of friends in that community. Always a blast. Got to hang out with my friend Mitzi, which you've seen a ton on this thing for her pinup pool parties and everything else. My buddy Wade, who has the blue Plymouth with the like green center in the top. You'll see pictures of that. I love hanging out with Wade. Ran into Aaron and his dad Eddie. Aaron and his wife Holly, really Holly's show, put on the Ventura Nationals, which is coming up September 1st. Go to the Ventura Nationals if you're into custom cars and that traditional hot rod lifestyle. That is one of my favorite shows. I actually don't go to other shows that would cost me money because that show I get a hotel room and stay at, that I pay for. So I love that show. But I digress from Mooneyes because Mooneyes is fantastic. Had a great time at Mooneyes, great turnout. Even though it was hot, there's always a ton of people that come out to that show. What's amazing is even in years past where it's hotter, there's still as many people. People love, as I'm kind of spitting because I'm so excited, people love that culture and hanging out and having a good time and just had a blast. So just great time. So side note, put on the brakes. Put on the brakes. Put on the brakes. I just want to say I'm still a small channel. I think I have 149 subscribers right now. But I just want to say thanks to those 149 subscribers for commenting and being part of the Daily Driver Project community and helping me grow. You know, I ran into Aaron and Brian, who are friends of mine. They also have a channel on YouTube and, you know, gave me some great feedback. And that's what I love. I love the fact that this, more than my website ever did, this YouTube channel thing has really connected me to people more, and I love that they get to then share what I love doing and they love doing, and everybody, it's just a big love fest of car craziness, and I love it. And I just want to say thanks for those 149 subscribers I already have. Thank you for being part of the Daily Driver Project community and supporting me. And thanks for, if you're new to this channel and this is the first video you're watching and you're hanging out and you've watched the whole video and you've dug it and you dig Mooneyes and blah, 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 and thank you for being here. What my channel is all about is hanging out and covering car shows all over Southern California and more car stuff. Just thanks for hanging out, you know, being part of this. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video. Oh, and before we get to that, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button, hit that little bell, ring that bell, smash that bell, crash into that bell would be a good car theme. I gotta come up with a good one that's like, what do you do with a car that would be with the bell? Anyways, honk that bell, but the honk doesn't, it sounds weird. We'll figure it out. We're still kind of working at this thing. I've only been doing it since March, people. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video, and we will see you at the next show.